cancel with your reinstatement payment.
Entitled to full reinstatement without prejudice.
Permission to reinstate Mr. Spock as my first officer.
Hi. You'd be temporarily reinstated.
Said if I helped him, he'd get you your wings back. Full reinstatement.
And to restore his victory and reinstate his
points. Which is why you're here today, asking for the IMF to be reinstated.
Reinstatement to the rank of master of both services.
Charges against her will be reinstated.
We are going to show our freshly reinstated Archbishop.
The foreclosure will be canceled with your reinstatement payment, plus late fees and incidentals. You
spent his life in the poorhouse. Guess we're gonna have to reinstate the death penalty.
You know what, Omar? It really don't matter. You can smoke me.
Clarice, if the evidence is lacking, you'll be entitled to full reinstatement without prejudice. If you don't do or say...
Fire, you kill him, and you haul ass. Permission to reinstate Mr. Spock as my first officer.
Granted.
Better than you do. The risk factor is very high. You'd be temporarily reinstated in the forces, and if the mission's successful, there may...
I figured if I dazzle them, they will have to reinstate me. But it's difficult.
Titus told me you were posted to this planet. Said if I helped him, he'd get you your wings back. Full reinstatement. I figured I owed you.
Yeah, you do.
It has been decided to overturn this disqualification and to restore his victory and reinstate his points.
Expose the so-called syndicate.
That is correct, sir.
Which is why you're here today, asking for the IMF to be reinstated.
That is correct, sir. Reinstatement to the rank of master of both services. If I am to deal with
formula, and if you attempt to contact Miss Moore, charges against her will be reinstated. Do I make myself clear, Mr. Kirk?
That is, we are going to show our freshly reinstated Archbishop that we can still do without him. The coronation.
Hi, Daniel Blake. I've come for my appeal for the reinstatement of my employment and support allowance.
General Hospital.
Not hungry, huh?
Water and power says the electricity should be reinstated.
Is my dad coming in? Phil?
No, I don't.
Incoming call with a blocked number, sir.
Phone privilege is reinstated. Lovely. Coulson, how's Land of Enchantment?
Purifier. Its documents can be amended. I'd file a motion to have you and Wanda reinstated. Wanda? What about Wanda? She's fine. She's confined to the
You'll be needing these. I'm reinstating both of you.
Don't you just love him?
Yeah.
All I can tell you, Sam, is hang in there. They clear you this mess, you get reinstated.
The point is, you never get clear of something like this.
Limits to me. Under the circumstances, your privileges are reinstated immediately. What do you need? Guns.
Isn't it fantastic, Doctor? Reinstated at my former rank, with no loss of pay or social benefits.
Yes, it could actually be called a psychic.
But the chief says if you return to the city of Beverly Hills, the charges will be reinstated and you will be prosecuted to the limit of the law.
Miss De Leon, I received your petition for reinstatement of custody.
Wait, she wants him back now?
Are you prepared to reassume?
Congratulations on your reinstatement. Major Kuzman was arrested yesterday, you know.
What would you say if I told you I could get you reinstated as a flight officer? The company has already agreed to pick up your contract.
Executed 4 individuals since the Supreme Court ruling allowed the state to reinstate capital punishment. 2 in 1990 and 2 more
Seems Chief Brashear losing his leg for his country sort of make...
The tribunal will make its report to the Presidium. Comrade Munt is reinstated. The man Limas and the girl are under arrest.
Sounds, Clouseau.
Yes, go on.
He's to be reinstated as an inspector.
What? You can't be serious.